What is going on, guys? This is Dylan from We the Coasters as we are checking on into Busch Gardens Tampa, our first visit of 2023. We got some entertainers out here today. It is a windy January here out in the first visit of 2023. And of course, we're going to show you some progress going on by Busch Gardens Tampa and more as we're getting ready for what can happen for the 2023 year. Consider the off season. Next month, it'll definitely be changing. So without further ado, enjoy today's featured presentation. Before we hop on some rides today, here to show you that Coaster Coffee Company is under construction. We showcased this last month in December. They really hadn't done any work. Now they're starting to get a lot of work done. New awnings over here and shade covers. But you can see, this area's all closed. And, well, Starbucks over the Moroccan Delights during the remodel. So, there's what could be though. We're getting ready to Iron Gwazi. Currently, from what I have gathered, it is a walk-on, and I want to see it with my own two eyes. So let's head over there right now and see if that's the case. Now, before we go on to Iron Gwazi, big word there. So they're definitely doing some renovation around the Lorry Landing area on the walkway between the area as you begin going up the ramp to Stanleyville. So have temporarily closed. The only way to get to Stanleyville is via by train. So they do warn people with the sign right over here. But anyways, this Mardi Gras is actually coming in about a few weeks away, so they have a lot of decorative stuff out here. And they still have this stuff from grand opening of Iron Gwazi here, so that's awesome to see. It's a 5-minute wait, so I seen it from a distance. There's no line, so we're gonna marathon this bad boy right now. So, like the showcase, I've done 9 rides on Iron Gwazi so far, and each ride has been great. Actually, I just realized the last ride was actually 10 minutes, so missing only a few rows to do. So we're gonna take a quick pit stop over at Zagora Cafe, get some lunch, and then head back on again to finish out the rest of the rides. I'm gonna try to see if I can get the front row at least some point in time, because everyone wants to hop in the front because it's been station wait literally the whole day. So it's a little after 2 right now. So we've been marathon Iron Gwazi since a little after 12. So it's been amazing so far. This is also installed right in front of Iron Gwazi, which, yeah, anyways, let's see. Falcon's Fury. Big news on this. Busch Gardens did say this is going to reopen at some point in time very, very soon. It could be early spring, could be late winter, not too sure yet. But good news though, it is going to reopen soon. The work walls are still up all around the area, but this portion here is still open, so that at least is a good sign to say the least. Now, as far as staying open, that's time to be tell, but it's been a picture of needing some parts, a few other things along the way, intimate being intimate. I don't know what really else to say there, but it is good that this ride's going to reopen again, because they need some flat rides bad over here. And I do hope, after the Sergei Swing, that replacement for Phoenix, outside of maybe one more coaster to be added, could be next on the list there. Now, the area to walk into the, what would have been the swinging ship, is still there. It's that yellow little thing over here. But of course, the entire boat, it's gone. Completely gone. Phoenix is defunct. Anyways, on to the next piece of news. One ride that I'm actually very happy to see that's reopened is SheiKra. It reopened about a week ago, give or take. Currently right now a walk-on 5-minute wait. So we're gonna hop on. Haven't done this in about a couple months. Yes, sir. Let's get on. Should be easy walk-on. One ride closed for its annual maintenance is the Stanley Falls Flume. They also had repainted the sign over here, making a more flume-like picturesque type of thing where the flume area is. So it's blue, it's got a wave and all that. But you see they drained out all the water over here, as you can see. Lots of cleaning up around here. A lot of leaves. A lot of stuff to work in on the inside where the flume area is as a whole too. So this ride will be closed for a little bit. And eventually they will work on Congo Falls next. So yeah, should be interesting what will be in store. But you can see they still did a really good job from the paintwork that they did back in 2022 there. So fantastic work nonetheless. Anyways, let's head back over to Iron Gwazi. Just want to showcase that real quick though. Alright, so we have done a lot more rides on Iron Gwazi, and I think from what you can see with the line and what the time is looking like, this will probably be last ride of the day. So we're going to end it on a high note, and we're going to hop to the very back row to end it, because that's the best way to do it. In your last ride on Iron Gwazi, head to the back. That's just, you have to. It's just good tradition. Anyways, we'll head to the back. Well, guys, that's going to do it here at Busch Gardens Tampa. Basically a marathon fest of Iron Gwazi with how the crowds were definitely not here. And of course, you can see this is now fully updated. So take a look here. As you can see it, Busch Mardi Gras technically has already started. And Real Music Series, the same for that as well. Kids Weekends, actually very few days away as I'm making this recording. Where you see as it goes on down where it goes. Summer Nights is actually technically returning. It says Summer Celebration. And yeah, so thank you guys for joining in. If you like, be sure to like, comment what you thought in this video and how awesome it was overall to see the changes coming out by Busch Gardens Tampa. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel here at We The Coasters. Hit that bell notification for future uploads. Follow us on Instagram at We The Coasters. And also follow me on Twitter. Until then, this is Dylan from We The Coasters signing off. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. Have a wonderful day here in 2023. Peace!